Hi, do you know that 90% of all markets are operated by smart money? Learn to think like smart money. Use volume spread analysis. Invest or trade by following the smart money. iVSAchart analytics will 1. Identify exactly when to buy, when to sell, and what to buy and avoid. 2. Maximize profits and minimize risks. And 3. Give trading or investing edge you need now. Try it now. Free trial available.
Welcome. Hello everybody, welcome to another Friday IVSA chart 13th of March 2015. As usual, continuing from where our Be a Better IVSA Trader Campaign 2015. Last week, Bill and myself were up in Penang, in Wawasan. You could see me, a picture in here. Perhaps you can take a look at the picture and we will talk more. There's the prize money. It's always about the money, yeah? It's always about the money, and we want to make sure that people learn these things about the art of money making. It's very important they know this. If they know this, then they can make money. Do I say this makes sense? The art of money making. Do I say this makes sense? Okay, I'll talk a bit about the workshop and what we did, and also going forward, the Zero to Hero challenge, where we want to challenge everybody to do well. Anyone from here from Penang? I know Sun Cheng is from Penang, right? Anyone here from Penang? If you're from Penang, you should come to our workshop. Anyone here listening out from Penang? Just type me where you are, okay? Where you come from, okay? Where you are, because we are coming to a city near you, okay? Our one-day IVSA chart. Can you type me where you are, okay? And then I will go on to the next, where you are, all right? Just tell me where you are. Where are you listening from? Can you do that for me? Okay. Hey, Kuching. Kong is from Kuching. Anybody else? Brian? Brian, are you from JB? Elaine? Okay, I think Elaine is from KL, right? Just type me where you are. I'll appreciate that. Just type me where you are. Okay, KL. Okay. Brian? Okay. Just type me where you are. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, I think I just saw one from Kuching, right? Kuantan. Okay, Brian's from Kuantan. So we will come to Kuantan, okay, soon. Okay, let's bring Bill on and we'll give you an update. And Bill, are you there, Bill? Bill, you ready to give an update or what you want to say?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm here.
All right, go ahead, Bill. Please proceed.
Okay, well, I'd like to thank all of you who coming today and welcome you. And as Martin mentioned, both of us did events in Penang. And I did an event at the Phillip Investment Center on Beach Street. Themselves are a lost sheep. So in any case, I did mention to them, I said, look, I do really appreciate you coming, and I will share a few things with you that can definitely help business and help your clients. And so this is what I shared. I shared with them some of the shares who are performing quite well in stage 2 uptrends, moving along, and they're paying very solid dividends. And I showed them shares, and then I gave them the idea, and this is from Warren Buffett, that when we go into the market as investors, not traders, but as investors, we look more at buying a business, looking at businesses rather than shares. And we program our brains to be business owners. We own a share of a quality business. And in this way, we can withstand the volatility, the turmoil, the bad news, the pessimism, the gloom, and perhaps come out well ahead. And it's proven over time that this approach does make money over time. And it's especially good for those who are investing their EPF money, who have spare funds to invest. It's what Martin and I do. And it's not jumping in and out of the market like a jackrabbit. And then it sort of cheered them up a bit. But what cheered them up is they asked me, Bill, how do you find these kind of shares? I said, it's very simple. You subscribe to the iVSA, and you run your filters, and you have to have the discipline to run it, at least once a week. And you look for quality shares that are rated, highly rated, say, in the stock, in the DynaQuest Stock Performance Guide, and that rates all shares from 1 to 10 in Malaysia. And then you find shares that are having line changes from a stage 2 that are highly rated in DynaQuest and pay dividends. That's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. And I don't care how pessimistic and bearish people are, with using the right tools, you're able to find these kind of shares. And we found a couple shares. I can't mention this now because I'm not allowed to, being a fund manager with Philip. And these are some of the shares that we picked up for our clients or for our APF clients. And in this way, we're buying businesses. We're not buying the volatility of the market. And using the iVSA at least puts the trend in our favor and the odds in our favor. So this is, as I say, as long as you caught my first idea, that we buy companies, we don't buy shares, and we hold them. And then it also requires understanding of what you're investing in, looking at the fundamentals, looking at the sales, the earnings, the dividends, the growth, return on equity, looking at these things to see if we have something that perhaps gives us a margin of safety. Perhaps we're buying below the market. Now, I will share something with you very, very powerful, and I just read this a few days ago. As you know, Soros, one of the greatest investors who ever lived, his actual ROE is higher than Buffett, and he his essence, the essence of his method is called reflexivity. I know that's a complicated word. Look it up. Reflexivity. And what it simply means is, it means, I'll give you the analogy of a rubber band. When a rubber band stretches and stretches and stretches, and that means the crowd pushing the market down, they're bearish, they're pessimistic, they're gloomy, the rubber band keeps stretching. We are looking for that inflection point when there are no more sellers and when the news is so bad, and that's when we buy, and that's when George Soros buys. And that's what we look for when we use our iVSA, is looking for things that have stretched way out of line with the value of the company. And if we look for quality companies that fit this model, it's a no-brainer. Because guess what? Your risk is very low when you buy it, and your potential for upside is very high. So I'll leave that with you, and I do wish you for the coming week. And don't get too pessimistic. There's still value out there if you know how to find it.
All right, thanks a lot,
goodbye.
Bill. Okay, thanks a lot, Bill. And that was Bill giving you in general how to do it. And now in the workshop, what Bill talked about, we actually cover it. In our Penang workshop that we done recently, we have a big group. Over 30 people, you can see the picture on the right hand side, and it was a good turnout. Thank you for your support. John, who is listening, right? Yeah, John, Sun Cheng from Penang, and they were there, and thank you for your support to come to our workshop. You probably see a picture yourself in there too. I did a check in there, as you can see on the top left hand side here. What are the most pertaining questions people ask? How to cut loss? How to cut loss? What to buy at the right price? When to sell? How to beat the smart money, stock pick, what to buy and what to sell, and timing of entry. So those are the things that we cover in our one day. Now, if you miss this workshop, the next one we'll be doing will be in JB or May. More details of that to come. And so don't miss out. And also we did some sort of expected return. Some people wanted about 100% return in the year, 50% return. I said it is possible. It is possible. Can you make 100% return in a year? Well, our iVSA Pro chart have selected a few one. Wintoni, I think I mentioned it also on the Facebook. One of the contestants submitted the Wintoni on the 18th of February, and it's gone up almost 200% return. There's another one, Pan Malaysia, and we also selected one, right? Remember, Sun Cheng, what did we select in Penang? The stock pick using iVSAchart. What did we select? I think it has moved also too, right? What did we select? You remember? Those of you listening in Penang. So we will be doing this workshop in here. What did we select, Sun Cheng? John, you were there, right, John? John saw. Okay, just want to show you a few more pictures and okay. Yeah, YTLe, good. YTLe, go buy or not? Never buy, can use the stocks trade. And this was the group in here, a nice group. Just want to share with you. Thanks for your very generous testimonial and comment from the Penang group. A great crowd. I'm happy to teach you. You all had a good time. Do you have a good time up there, no, John? And Sun Cheng, you came to the class, right? And these were all the happy crowd in here. A lot of young people grew in here. And here are some of the comment that was made by the group. It's nice to have you guys help traders to set a correct expectation for trading an iVSAchart. Discovery of a good software picks. iVSAchart gave me the investor to trade, and this one from one of our long-time graduates. Long-time graduate, David. Malfa pan out. Yeah, pan out. Did pan out? It didn't move, right? Isn't it Malfa? Let me check Malfa, whether it move out or not. K Malfa. No. How was it trigger? Remember I said it didn't get trigger, right? It didn't get trigger. Did Malfa get trigger? That's why it's important that you know the trigger point when we talk about in the course inside there, right? Yeah. No. Good. Sun Cheng. That's the whole point. Don't get caught into all this kind of thing. All right. YTL did come in, and here's more. We got many of this testimonial, and just to show you. Some of these people who wrote it, good seminar, gave a good knowledge. The VSA court taught us to increase profit tremendously. Thanks to BE Lok here, talk about the passion in delivery record. As is usual, even in our Friday iVSA chart, isn't Bill myself passionate to teach you guys, okay? And the chart we talk about below was a YTLe. Let me just show you where is YTLe. And this is YTLe, okay? So on Sunday was here, right? This nice one in here, we calculate the entry, third of that was Friday, and then come 9. See, you got that in, nice one in here. So YTLe definitely moving. Malfa didn't move. At least you got one in here. So your money is safe. That's why I reckon I'm very happy for those people who commented us, and thank you for your wonderful comments and testimonial for that. Okay. Now a little bit small announcement. The next workshop, this workshop in the northern region. Has been very successful, so we are going to the southern region. So those of you who's in the southern region, please tell your friends on the 16th of May, Saturday 2015 in JB, around somewhere near JB, we'll be doing the workshop. Okay, the pricing of the seminar will be very similar to Penang, and you all know it is a steal, it is a bargain. Okay, it is a bargain, it is a steal. So make sure you know about these things in here. We will do the same thing, and let's make some money in here. So you can see in here there was one contestant made some money in here from a simulation games that we played. I think he took home about what, 180 ringgit. That's nice. Imagine you pay for that one. Isn't it have a good time, right? So one of the things that we want to do now is to look at some of your stocks. Okay, first one is the Sarah from Peter. He want me to look at it. Buy it or not? Have you bought it yet, Peter? Okay, have you bought it yet? And make sure it's not mentioned by any of the broker houses if you want to buy. Still remember K Best Farmer. I think that was a nice one. We talk about it. He never seems to amaze me, Peter. With your okay, see Sarah 7030. This one came out 18-day line change. Okay, see Sarah. No lah, where got nothing like this one. Nothing in here lah, Sarah. Where is that thing? You bought it there? Okay. iBerhad. Let's look at iBerhad. Okay. iBerhad. Anything on iBerhad? Let's look at iBerhad. iBerhad is Imbraco. Okay. Here you go. iBerhad 4295. iBerhad. Okay. If you have something in here, put on the ATR stop loss. Okay, and see what it goes. Yep, you should be out by now. Okay, this in here had volume, no follow through, came back down in here. That's how nasty they do. All right, they just want to wash you and wash you. So they do that. Look for another trade. Okay, Sometimes they do go up. I picked one yesterday. I already moved up. I'm not going to tell you guys. For our premium members, stay watch for that one. I'm making already some money on that one. Okay. Okay. IRCB. Oh, oh, you sold Sarah. Good, good, good. Hope you make some money. Yeah. Okay. So IRCA, but there's nothing on that one lah. On trading wise, unless you're investing. I suppose you're investing. You're an investor, right? Okay. What code is that? I can't. I'll probably use Cuscapi anyway. Cuscapi for this share. Okay. Yeah, it came off. Line change broke through. Very nasty. You know, up dropped 20%. 20 to 22%. 2 cents. That's 20%, and then came back up. Another line change today. They will wash you many times. When you play this kind of penny wise stock, just be careful. Okay. They will tend to do a lot of wash, and then they'll clean you up, and then they will go higher. But let me just show you the stocks that we talked about. Was YTLe that we picked on last Saturday, which is a nice one in here. Okay, this was where it came out through here. You could see a lot of strength in here. Okay, and it finally turned green, and then we went in here. So it's still nice holding up in here. Okay, 2727. Show John. Okay, John, play the okay. The next one I want to talk about is also the 2127.kl. Oh, it is integrated, is it? Integrated. Okay. Oh, nice one. I like this one. This is nice. Probably this is nothing wrong with that. Integrate rubber. It's one of those. It's one of the rubber glove industry. Not one of the best one, but a nice move. A lot of sign was strength in here. Definitely a good one. Much better. I like this one. This one is something you should keep. So make sure, John, if you're playing this, I want to talk about our this thing, Penang from zero to hero Penang challenge. Now, Penang zero to hero Penang challenge is after the course. We challenge some of our participants to participate in a stock trading for 1 month using the iVSA stock trading game under the Traders Truth Review /game site. And in there, your goal, you will be given a 50,000 ringgit virtual money, a paper money. And the goal, if you make 7% in a month, we will give you a prize. If you can make 7% in a month, you'll give a prize. Now, this is only for those who came to our Penang workshop, and we're giving you a challenge. There's a prize money in here. I can't remember off my head. A little bit of cash in there, and to play this game. And the whole point is, at the end of every week, please post your portfolio and your cash balance into the Facebook that we talk about in here, and tag it with Zero to Hero Challenge. I'm not sure anybody has done that yet. Just do it once a week, so make sure we are in sync with you. Let's take a look at what we say in here. Okay, so we are by the way, we are changing our dates to 15 on March for our so-called from 15th of March to April 5th. So take note of that one. We're changing our Oscar Day award in here. There was some in here. This was a nice one. This was a winner one. So no one has posted yet from the Zero to Penang challenge yet. So we might see some people posting that. So that is a good one. The reason why we want to see how people trade stock simulation, and from there how to make money. I like to guide you through. If you can make 7% a month, would that be great? Because the question we ask is how to buy and when to buy. How many think making 7% a month from a portfolio of 50,000 is possible? I'm not talking about 7% per trade. 7% per trade is easy. We have seen that one. I think YTL, what's YTL? How much YTL has moved? Let's go and check it out first. This portfolio here, YTL, if you can move on one month, okay. YTLe, okay. Let me see YTLe. That's taking my internet here a bit. Is my sound coming in okay? Alright, YTLe. Okay, I'll just change it to 1 month, and I'll put in the percentage scale. You can see how much you've moved up. Yeah, it looks like 0 to 10%. I said it's very fast. This one is already moved up about 4% already. So 4-5% per stock is not a problem, but we're talking about portfolio. All right, so that's a goal. Now, if John and Sun Cheng, please participate in our Zero to Penang challenge and submit that on the Facebook. I know you guys are quite reluctant on that, but give it a try. Share with your way of trading into our Facebook so all of us can learn as we are in part of being a bigger picture, a better picture where all of you will make money like me here, just flashing the money in front of you, be a better iVSA trader campaign. So I'll take one or two more questions before we end the session in here, and we will do, and then I'll talk more about the outlook this evening on our closing bell. By the way, next week I'll be on a business trip next Friday, so there won't be any Friday iVSAchart live. The recorded one for the closing bell will be available on Sunday because I'll be away on Friday and Saturday. I only come back on Sunday. So I won't be doing any live recording for our closing bell. So take note of that, those who are our regular premium members. Any more questions before we close the day? Because that was really good. I really enjoyed the workshop in Penang, and I'd like to just share with you some of the testimonial in here. And now do remember, our next workshop will be in Southern Region in JB, May 16. Some of the, this is just the first announcement. The more details of it will be available in our iVSAchart website. All right, with that, I bid you a good day. Happy trading. Make some money, okay? Any more questions? Going once, going twice. All right, thank you, and I'll see you this evening, right? Closing bell, else the following week. And there are a couple of dates you should know of is our award winning. My admin people will already sent the winner list to all of you who have participated. And if you win either consolation prize or top 3 prize, you will be informed by our admin people. So have fun, make some money, and also play our Zero to Hero Penang Challenge for our Penang participants. So lots of great activity, as this is part of our campaign to be a better iVSA trader. And I want you all to benefit. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.